Okay, Musketeers, we're back. So, we're talking about what are we talking about? We're in where? Where are we at? We're in what? Space. All right, you ready? We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einstein, climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einsteins, come on, start the countdown. Five, four, three, two, one. Whoa, blast off! We're in space. Okay. Now, yesterday we talked about actual space. Now, today we're going to talk about this. I want to know if you could tell me what is the hottest thing in space? Hmm? And what do you know about it? Hmm? We're going to talk, oh, the sun. We're going to talk about the sun. The sun. We're going to talk about the sun. Okay. Now, what do you know about the sun? Okay. Well, Miss Trent's going to give you some few little facts about the sun, and then we're going to try to spell sun. Okay? All right. The color of the sun. Do you know about the color of the sun? What color is it? We see yellow, hints of orange, and red. But do you know the sun is actually white? It's actually white. But when we look at it from Earth, because of the Earth's atmosphere, it scatters water length colors. So that's why, and it picks up the red, the yellows, and the orange. And so that's why we see it as yellow, but it's actually white. The sun is actually white. Um, also, what do you know about the importance of the sun? What does the sun do for Earth or for us here? Do you know? Okay. It controls when we wake up, when we go to sleep. It gives us night and day. It controls the weather. And with the weather, it gives us the four seasons, the summer, the fall, the winter, and the spring. So it gives us that. It also tells us it controls when we grow things in the garden, when things produce and everything because of the seasons. Um, and also, the sun is the largest thing in our solar system. It's the largest thing out there, up there, the largest thing. And, when we were talking about looking at the sun, when we look at it, we see yellow. But let's go back. Let me backtrack for a minute. We actually can't look at the sun with our naked eye directly for a period of time because it has eyes. We're not supposed to look at it. You're supposed to use a special lens, a special telescope to look up there so that you can see the sun, so you don't mess up your eyes. Okay? And sunlight hits Earth in 8 minutes. And you know what that's called? The speed of light. That's called the speed of light. The sunlight hits Earth in 8 minutes. And the sun is important because the sun holds Earth, moon, and the stars, it holds it in line. It holds it in line because of the gravity because of the strong gravity force from the sun. If the sun was not there, then all these things would just be spinning around out in space. So gravity is what gravity, it holds things and it pushes it down to the core, to the center of it. So that's what's keeping us on the ground. Because in space you float, but we have gravity on Earth, so we're able to walk and stay on the ground instead of float and drift up into the air. Um, let's see. Do I have any more important facts about the sun? It's a star. It's the biggest star. And why do you think the sun is important to us? It gives oxygen. It produces stuff down to us, okay? It gives us nice rays of sun. I love to beam out in the sun. It gives us nice rays, but it's not good to lay out there for long periods of time in the sun. Okay, so that is our sun information. Now we're going to spell it. Sun. Sun. What makes the sound? S. What makes the sound? Sun. Sun. A U. Line up, line down. What makes the N sound? Sun. Sun. N. The N. Line up, over, down. Sun. 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 S-U-N. Sun. The sun. Sun. And our beams of light rays. All right. Bye-bye, Mouseketeers.